Hey, what's up everyone? I am back with another highly requested video. Recently, some Windows 11 users have reported issues with the search bar. Either it's missing from the taskbar or it's not working as expected. If you are one of them, then this video has all the fixes you need. So, without any further ado, let's jump in. I will go through each of the steps, so make sure you don't skip any of the steps. And remember to restart your computer. Alright, let's start with step number 1. The first step is right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. Then under personalization tab, please make sure that under search, the search box is not hidden. If you click on hide, then you can see the search bar is missing from the taskbar. So what you have to do is that you have to select either the search box, it will show like this, or you can select the search icon, it will show like this. Just make sure that you don't select hide option. Now go to privacy and security and click on searching windows, and now navigate to advanced indexing options. Once you are under the indexing tab, you have to select the advanced and then click on rebuild. You can see the indexing in progress. Once the indexing is complete, you have to click on close. Now we are done with our first step, and please make sure you restart your computer and see if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then go for the next step, and that is right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, and you have to find Windows Explorer here. If you can't find it, just click on the file explorer, minimize it, and you can see the Windows Explorer. Right click on it, click on restart. Once you have restarted the Windows Explorer, maybe your issue has been resolved. Like in my case, you can see that the search bar is working perfectly fine. If it's not working till now, then you have to move to the third step. In the third step, we will go for registry editor. So what we have to do, press Windows and R button simultaneously in your keyboard and type here regedit. Click on OK. It will open the registry editor. Once you give the permission, you will see this kind of interface. You have to select this H key current users, expand it, then go to software. Under software, you will find the Microsoft. Either double click on it or you can expand it from here. Now find Windows. Under Windows, you have to go to the current versions and then find search. Here it is. Click on search and then find the Bing search enabled. If it is not present, then right click on the blank space, click on new, go to dword 32-bit value, and then write Bing search enabled. Please make sure that BSE, these three letters are uppercase and rest of the letters are lowercase letters. Now double click on it and make sure that the value data is 0. Click on OK. Now go back to the computer and then select H key local machines. Under system, you have to click on the current control set. Then go to services and then you have to find WPN services. Here it is, WPN user service. Select this one and double click on the start, change the value data to 4 and click on OK. Now you can close the window and restart your computer to see if the problem is fixed or not. Till now, most probably your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you have to go to the service tab. How you can do that? Right click on the taskbar, go to task manager and click on run new task, and here you have to type services.msc. Now please make sure you click on the checkbox and click on OK. It will open the service tab in front of you. What you have to do that, you have to find Windows search from here. Here it is. Double click on it, and now please make sure that you click on automatic, stop it, and restart the process. Once you have done with that, click on apply and OK. Now refresh once and right click on the taskbar, open Task Manager, and then do the previous steps. Go to File Explorer, minimize it, right click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Till now, for 99% of the people, the problem is fixed. If your problem is not fixed yet, then what you have to do is that you have to open command prompt. For that, right click on the taskbar again, go to Task Manager and click on Run New Task, and here type cmd and please make sure that you click on the checkbox. The command prompt will open in the administrative mode. Now you can see the command prompt is running as administrator. What you have to do is that type sfc /scannow. Click on enter. It will now perform an sfc scan and it will find for any corruption in the system file. So please wait until the process is complete. Now the verification is 100% complete. It says Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. If there was any integrity violation, you had to fix it manually. Now what we'll do, we'll just run a DISM scan. DISM is Deployment Image Servicing and Management. It will find any corruption in the image file of your operating system. So please write the comment that I am writing over here. DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. Hit enter, and now you can see the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool is running. It will find any corruption in your image file and it will automatically repair on its own. So you have to do nothing, just wait for the process to be completed. You can see it says the restore operation completed successfully. It has successfully restored the image file for your operating system. So what you have to do is that even after implementing all these steps, if your problem is not fixed, then you have to reset your computer. If you don't know how to reset your computer without losing any data, then please follow the link that I have given in the description box. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for staying with me till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, have a great time.